One group, Natural Justice, don't call on the Rivers State government to allow inclusive flood response committee for the state. The group come also ask the government to add join the committee women, youths and people where they live with disabilities sake of saying that them they suffer the impact of flooding pass. Program Manager Natural Justice Mike Karikpo wey carry this group waka go the Rivers State Government House for Port Harcourt come demand say make them change the committee to Climate Justice Advisory Committee.
The Rivers State government has set up a flood response committee and we are thankful for that. And what we want the Rivers State government to do with the flood response committee is to ensure that it is inclusive, that persons who are at the forefront of the climate impact, women, young people, persons with disability, the most vulnerable in our communities, should be part of the flood response committee. And secondly, we are also asking that the flood response committee, which is an interministerial committee that also has all of the local government chairmen as part of the committee, should be changed and turned into a climate justice advisory committee that will advise the state government on how to transit from an oil-based economy, from a fossil fuel economy, to an economy that depends on our brains and what we have here.
The climate now, as it stands, has affected us adversely. And I must tell you that if something is not done quickly, some natural processes, we are up for a serious situation. The environment, as we speak, is no longer in our support. And I tell you, a lot of things, our means of livelihood is gone. A lot of us, we've lost employment opportunities. So many things have negatively impacted on us. And this is why we are here to register our submission to the Rivers State government. We are here in Government House today. Please, we want the government to hearken to our plea that things must follow the right processes to conserve our environment and to help us so that the future generations will have an environment they can depend on.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.